What's up, everybody? It's your boy Anthony from Sneaker Fair Kicks, and today's video is all about stealing content. Okay, so as you heard in the intro, today's video is about stealing content.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yes, steal my content. I want you to steal my content. I want you to steal my hashtag strategy, right? Really simple hashtag strategy. It's going to help you out if you're having a hard time getting your posts out there, feel like your engagement is just not working that well. We're going to go over a few different categories for hashtags and why those categories are valuable, and just go into a in-depth understanding of how to use them. So our first set of hashtags are going to be image relevant hashtags. And that's basically, well, what are we looking at? What is the algorithm looking at? What is the audience looking at? And I'm gonna use these as an example, okay? So it's a custom sneaker. That's what we're looking at, right? Custom sneaker. What's in the image? We got Charizard right here spitting that hot fire. It's a Pokemon sneaker. This is some things you want to consider. Metallics. Those are some things you want to consider when we talk about image relevant. Next category would be community based. So you're talking about community based hashtags, which is a little specific. So what I do is I make custom sneakers. So I can talk about a custom sneaker community, and I want to use hashtags related to the custom sneaker community. If I paint on canvas, I want to talk about what type of paint that I use. Maybe it's acrylic paint, oil paint, watercolors, the photography community, the film community, music, rap community, any type of community you can think of that is relevant to your post. That's the community that you want to consider searching or creating a hashtag for. Next, brand hashtags. Really simple. What's the name of your brand? What's the name of your company? For me, that's Sneaker Fair Kicks. So I make hashtags based on Sneaker Fair Kicks. That's simple. Probably the easiest one out of all of these hashtags. You can also put your slogans if you have any catchphrases you use that are related to your brand. So it's pretty simple. It's all about you and what you want the community to know about your brand. Up next, niche specific hashtags. What type of things are you specifically targeting when you create? So me, I create in the several different niches. For instance, like again, niche specific, Pokemon. That's a good one. And you can also do so. I did a little like bespoke work here on the tag right there. Bespoke customs. That's very niche specific. You can also consider what types of like photography you take. Wildlife photography. It's niche specific. It's photography, but it's a very specific type of photography. If you're a musician, you make rap beats. That's niche specific. So really it's getting more detail on what type of community does your specific creativity belong in. Next category is all about your clients. What are your clients searching for? Your potential clients as well. So again, going back to what I do right now, we're talking about custom sneakers. So I would probably use that exact hashtag, custom sneakers, custom shoes, the specific brand that I'm working on, custom Jordans, custom Nikes. You really want to go after what do you think that they would type on Google if they were looking for what you do. This next one is a little more optional, not really necessary, and be careful when you use it. It is content based on location. So if you create something and you create it in a historic area or it's related to that historic area, make sure you mention that. In Chicago, that would be like the Sears Tower, excuse me, the Willis Tower. It's Sears Tower if you know. But you can use that if you created something based on a downtown area where you live. Downtown. Times Square is a good one if you live in New York. but it's all about what specific about that location. If you made something and you put it in a coffee shop or a sneaker store or it's in a gallery, that also counts as a location. So get creative with those, but try to be as specific as possible. And again, it's optional if you can't really think of anything location based. Last hashtag category would be content specific. And content specific really has a lot to do with very generalized hashtags that are related to the actual post. So this, it's a shoe. It's a custom shoe. There's a Pokemon on here. The shoe is black. Really general things related to the actual post. For this one, like with this specific video, it will be a video about hashtag strategies, branding strategies, a marketing strategy. So it's really simple, but it's still related to whatever the content happens to be. And that's it, people. So I hope that you got some relevant content from this video. I hope that you actually do steal my hashtag strategy. Please steal my hashtag strategy. And I hope that you keep shining. Till next time, I've been Anthony with Sneaker Fair Kicks. Peace.